The man in my doorbell camera was me. I live alone. Last night, I got a doorbell alert at 3:19 a.m. Someone was standing at my front door. No knocking, just staring at the camera. Frozen, not moving. For nearly 5 minutes. Text 3. When I checked the footage, my blood ran cold. Or it was me standing outside. Same clothes I was wearing that night. But I never left the house. He stared straight into the lens and whispered, "Let me in. You're not real." Want more true-style horror? Follow As Back of the Kitchen Stories on TikTok. Subscribe on YouTube for the next video. Your support keeps the lights off.